The Nokia Lumia 505G is a modern homage to Nokia's iconic Lumia series, blending nostalgic design elements with contemporary smartphone technology. It features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution, offering vibrant visuals and an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the device is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, ensuring smooth performance for everyday tasks and 5G connectivity. The camera setup includes a 200MP primary sensor, delivering exceptional photo quality, while the 6100 mAh battery provides extended usage without frequent recharges. Additional features encompass NFC support, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6E, an under-display fingerprint sensor, and stereo speakers with spatial audio support. Designed with a glass front and back, complemented by an aluminum frame, the Lumia 505G boasts an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, ensuring durability in various conditions. Available in classic Lumia colors like cyan, magenta, and black, it appeals to both tech enthusiasts and those fond of the Lumia legacy. Priced competitively, it offers flagship features at a more accessible price point, making it a compelling choice in the premium mid-range segment.